The Pera Museum is a privately owned museum located in the Pera district of Istanbul, Turkey. The museum is housed in a historic building that was originally built in the late 19th century as the Bristol Hotel. The Pera Museum features a wide range of exhibitions and collections, including a permanent collection of Orientalist paintings and artifacts, as well as temporary exhibitions of contemporary art, photography, and historical artifacts. One of the highlights of the museum is the Orientalist collection, which includes paintings and objects from the 19th and early 20th centuries that depict the Middle East and North Africa. The collection includes works by famous artists such as Osman Hamdi Bey, Ivan Aivazovsky, and Jean L. Ramey. In addition to the Orientalist collection, the Pera Museum also features a range of temporary exhibitions that showcase the work of contemporary artists from Turkey and around the world. Recent exhibitions have included works by artists such as Ai Weiwei, Frida Kahlo, and Joan Mir. The Pera Museum also has a range of educational programs and events, including lectures, workshops, and film screenings. Overall, the museum is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in art, history, and culture, and is a great way to experience the vibrant art scene in Istanbul. In our series of the most must-see places in Istanbul, Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Sultan Ahmet Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, Istanbul Archaeology Museums, Sirigan Palace, Dolmabahce Palace, Beyoğlu Taksim Square, Bosphorus Bridge and Bosphorus Tour, Emirgan Grove, Istiklal Street, Big Island, Rumeli Fortress, Süleymaniye Mosque, City Lines Ferry Tour, Anatolian Fortress, Miniaturk, Pera Museum, Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. You can get detailed information about. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video so that we can continue our promotional services.